Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, we are going to be discussing about why would you want to become a commercial pilot. There are many reasons that I could tell you or give you for you to become a commercial pilot. For me, at the first glance, the career as a commercial pilot looks like an excellent option. You get to soar through the beautiful skies, go to different countries and meet different people at the countries you land. It is an adventure every time you step into the cockpit. And to be a pilot was my dream rather than a goal. Everyone has the ability to dream, but not everyone has the willingness to go truly and chase your dreams. When people aren't living their dreams, they often have a very limited belief system. You're never too old, too young, too sick to live your dreams. You might not get to your dreams the way the others do, but then if you religiously follow your dreams and start chasing them, you will get there eventually. It is your responsibility to make your dream happen. No one will ever be as passionate about your dream as you. The excitement of firing up the engines, making them go in full thrust, and the feeling you get when you take off, that can never get too old. Seeing beautiful sunsets or even stormy skies is a beautiful sight and it always amazes one. And I believe that a human being should never stop learning. The aviation industry never stops evolving, and so you as a pilot would never stop learning. Flying keeps you on your toes, both practically and theoretically. So in this, if you ever stop learning, you are going to be out of your job. The most important thing for any person entering aviation will be growth. You can progress through the ranks of the first officer to a captain, then to a training captain, and maybe then into the management. The moment you lift off from the ground, you understand that you are the one responsible for the safety of every soul on board and to get them down safely to land. Having such a responsibility is extremely rewarding and is a feat that not many people will have achieved. The pilot demand in our country is strong and it will keep expanding the more the aviation industry grows. Now that it looks like the worst time of the industry is passing or may have gone, things are going to improve. Well, we are all passionate about something, but a pilot's passion is to be in the air and to fly. Let me just give you some quick points as to why you would like to become a pilot or maybe take this as a career option. It's no secret that the pilots get the best view. When you become a licensed pilot, you can experience the world from a fresh perspective and explore new horizons of the sky each time you fly. Becoming a pilot gives you the opportunity to discover new destinations. It can be traveling in your own country or around the world. The journey under the control of a huge machine, pushing the throttle and taking controls of an aircraft is an amazing feeling. Pilot salaries are great and this has made the industry even more attractive for potential new pilots. Each airline has their salary, but almost all the offers are increasing each year. You and your family will get travel passes. What more reasons should I cite for you to become an airline pilot? If this is your dream, I sincerely hope that you will go chasing your dreams and become an airline pilot. If you need our help, Epaulettes Aviation is always there for you. Please feel free to contact us at the address and contact details mentioned below. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!